Now, COVID crisis in Maharashtra continues to deepen. It has recorded 68,631 cases in just the last 24 hours, with 503 deaths, the highest single-day spike since the pandemic began. Now, Mumbai reported 8,479 fresh cases, with 53 deaths in a single day. The number of active containment zones in Mumbai has now gone up to 100. Pune remains the worst-hit district, with 12,707 new coronavirus cases and 116 deaths in the last 24 hours, followed by Nagpur with 7,107 cases and 85 deaths. The COVID surge comes at a time when Maharashtra government relentlessly claiming vaccine and essential medicines shortage.
We are in the Kalamboli area near Mumbai, and in this time of crisis, when the entire state is reeling under shortage of medical oxygen, here in this area something special is happening. Have a look at these tankers which are being readied. Now these very tankers will be sent to places like Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Vizag, Rourkela to fetch liquid medical oxygen. Yes, that's right. In this time of crisis, the Indian Railways have stepped in to help the government of Maharashtra. And here, the Maharashtra government, along with the Indian Railways, will be sending 10 such tankers to fetch liquid medical oxygen. And for this, special plans have already been placed. Indian Railway says that an entire green corridor has been established. Why? For the simple reason so that these tankers can move in at a fast pace and return as well. But still, it is going to take around 3 to 4 days for these tankers to reach up to their destination and return with medical liquid oxygen. Officials say that around 15 to 16 ton is the amount that each and every tanker will be able to get from various places. These are times of crisis, and in these times it is fantastic to see how the state government and the Indian Railways are coming together, forming that synergy to help the common man. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.